Hello, everybody. Welcome to the official Vivo Pro Kabaddi Instagram account. We have a very special guest today. He's been a veteran of the Pro Kabaddi League right from season one. He's one of the most prolific raiders we've had, and he continues to remain so. 672 points scored in the Vivo Pro Kabaddi League, 121 matches played, 7 seasons. And there he is, Rishank Devadiga on Beyond the Mat. Good evening, Rishank. How are you doing?
Hi, hi.
All right, to all our fans watching, that is indeed Rishank in front of you. I'm sure all of you have waited have waited a long time to see him. Rishank, there are a lot of comments coming in saying, hi Rishank. Oh my God, it's so good to see you,
Hi,
Rishank.
hi everyone.
You clearly have a lot of fans, don't you?
Thank you, thank you.
So Rishank, this is our 5th episode of Beyond the Mat, as you're probably aware, and we've had
Okay.
some of your colleagues and your fellow players from the Pro Kabaddi League feature on this show. And the objective of the show, Rishank, is to bring fans closer to their favorite superstars and get to know a little more about you beyond the mat. So who is Rishank as a person? What are his hobbies? What does he like? And what does Rishank do beyond Kabaddi? So we'll start straight away, Rishank. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. We're going to get fans to be involved as well. We'll start straight away, Rishank. Our fans don't know that you actually were in the hotel management industry before becoming a professional Kabaddi player. Is that right?
Uh, yeah, I was working in the hotel before I started playing in Pro Kabaddi. Uh, when I finished my HSC, I joined Hotel Leela and I worked there as a waiter. And on week offs, I used to play I used to play my matches, and both like work and play, I used to manage both things. So it was like I had a time like I had to choose work or I had to choose kabaddi. So I chose kabaddi, and my mom supported me. Uh, After that, I played for the Mumbai district team. I got selected for the Maharashtra team, and
Yep.
I got a job in BPCL. So after 2 years, I played pro kabaddi, and the whole scenario of kabaddi, uh, like in my life, changed because of pro kabaddi. So it was an amazing feeling for me.
That's right. And there's an interesting story about you had a manager back in your hotel management days who was very supportive initially, right? He used to allow you to take the day off to actually go play all these matches. Is that true?
Yeah, he allowed me for the first time. I played the Thane Mayor Cup. It was in 2010,
Hmm.
and I told my manager that I want 5 days week off. So he allowed me for that, and uh, after that, again I had Dena Bank team had approached me for to play for their team, and I again went to him and I wanted a week off. So he was like, "No, now I'm not giving you any off because uh, you have to choose. Like you have to choose if you want to play kabaddi or you have to work. You work with us." So that was the turning point of my life, and I choose kabaddi as a career option for me.
That's interesting. Everyone reaches that point where they have to make that decision, and I'm so glad you made that decision to pursue kabaddi. Anup Kumar was talking to us a couple of weeks ago, and he had a similar situation where his brother gave him 1 year to pursue his dream, and it was make or break. So maybe there's a lesson there. When you're literally put against all odds and you need to prove yourself, I think that's when the best comes out. So,
Right.
Rishabh, as you know, this is a show for the fans, and there are a lot of questions coming in. So I'm going to jump straight into it. We have a very big fan with the name Shrutika05, and for those fans not watching, so Rishank is actually a do or die specialist. And if
Okay.
I remember correct, in season 2, 3, 4, for you Mumbai, you were the highest points getter in do or die situations. I think season
Right.
five
Right.
for UP Yodha as well. So you are a do or die specialist, aren't you? So Shrutika wants to know, what is your thought process as a raider in do or die situations? How does it change, and how do you sort of change your game to adapt to a do or die?
Like I always was a player who likes to play aggressively and who likes to challenge the situation. So do or die raid is what that gives me like a courage to enter the court whenever the team needs a crucial point or something. Like I played for U Mumbai and under Anup Kumar captainship, so he was like he trained me a lot for this
Ah.
situation. Like whenever the team required me in the do or die raid, so he used to push me, and that what gave me a lot of confidence in the game.
Yeah, that's true. I think Naveen was talking about it last week, where he said कि कबड्डी में ना जब आप रेडर बनते हो, जब रेडिंग करने जाते हो मैट पे, तो अगर टीम का सपोर्ट और अगर उनका कॉन्फिडेंस, if you can genuinely feel it, it actually helps keep a raiders दिमाग ठंडा. And you're validating what Naveen said. So obviously there is a fact to this. Uh, Dhoni07 King. I'm not sure if that's the actual Dhoni who's asking this, but there's a fan with the handle Dhoni King who's asking an interesting question, Rishank. He says that my question for you, sir, is on the mat. How do you feel when you don't perform up to the mark? And how do you sort of get yourself to get back into form?
Uh, it's very interesting question because every player faces this situation because before the match we are very tensed and very nervous because it's a big day for us and everyone is playing to win and everyone have to perform they give the 100% on the match, so it is like the feeling is a kind of what do you say, we have butterflies in our stomach and so we feel bad when we don't perform and we always hope that we give 100% on the match, so that's what I can say.
Yeah, and I'm sure that's important and very, very valid. You know, Vishank, there is a lot of love coming in for you in our comment section right now. A lot of people are obviously saying that you've been their favorite player over 7 seasons. My goodness. Saras Tamil wants to know, Rishank, 7 seasons you've played and you've been in the Vivo Pro Kabaddi League for 6 years now. What has been your favorite PKL moment? Your favorite moment in the league till date?
The favorite moment was when we won the finals in the season 2 with U Mumbai. That was a favorite moment for me, and also the season 3 for me was a very good season because uh, I was the top raider of the season, so that was a favorite moment for me.
Yeah, I'm sure. It's always good to. I like how you put your team first. So we won the title first. That was your favorite, and then a personal accolade. ऋषाक हमें बताइए आप I've just come to know that आपको मोटर बाइक्स की बहुत शौक है, सही है?
Right, right.
बहुत शौक है मोटर बाइक्स की. तो
Then
ये
you
मोटर
know,
बाइक्स के बारे में जरा बताएं हमें कि आप ये मोटर बाइक्स की शौक कहाँ से शुरू हुई और आप कौन से बाइक चलाते हो और आपके फैंस आई एम श्योर आर आल्सो मोटर बाइक फैंस. तो जरा अपने पैशन के बारे में बताइए कि ये मोटर बाइक्स की शौक कहाँ से आई.
देखिए हमेशा से ड्रीम रहा है मेरा मोटर बाइक्स को लेके और बचपन में भी मतलब मेरे बुक्स होते थे तो मैं उस पे बाइक्स जो थे वो ड्रॉ करता था और मेरे बुक्स के मतलब जो कवर पेज पे बाइक की फोटो होती थी तो मैं बहुत अट्रैक्टेड था बचपन से ही, तो हमेशा से ऐसे लगता था कि मुझे एक सुपर बाइक मेरे पास होना चाहिए. तो अभी
हाँ.
मैं केटीएम जो है वो बाइक चलाता हूँ और I hope so that in some years I will own a super bike and it is my biggest dream to have a bike, and I'm a huge fan of Valentino Rossi. I follow MotoGP
हाँ.
very much and उसके वजह से ज़्यादा क्रेज बढ़ गया बाइक के लिए
हम्म,
क्योंकि
हम्म.
वैलेंटिनो रॉसी जैसे कंसिस्टेंटली 9 टाइम्स वर्ल्ड चैंपियन रहा है और उसके बाद अभी भी वो खेल रहा है, अभी भी वो compete कर रहा है, तो ये एक मोटिवेशन भी है
Yeah.
मेरे लिए और आई फॉलो हिम, सो आई लव एंजॉयिंग दिस स्पोर्ट.
वेरी कूल. ऋषांक आपके इनफैक्ट आपने अभी केटीएम बताया था कि वो आपके पास अभी बाइक है. आपके बताने के पहले ही एक फैन है हमारे यश करके who already in the comments mentioned Rishang sir has a KTM. uh, Rishabh, आप obviously Bombay के हैं. You are born and raised, I think, in Bombay. लेकिन आप you are not a Maharashtrian. I think you are a South Indian. You are a Kannadi guy, if I'm not
Yeah,
mistaken, correct?
right, right,
And the
right.
reason why I bring this up is because आपके एक fan है श्रीकांत रिकी 21 करके जो कह रहे हैं हमारे लिए कन्नड़ा में कुछ बोलिए.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತು. All right. Next one. Rishak, you are one of the few players who has had an opportunity, and we can now looking back, we can say you've had the privilege of playing with Anup Kumar and Rakesh Kumar in the same team. तो
Right,
और
right.
वो दोनों खिलाड़ी जो है they're very big, of course biggest names in pro kabaddi and in kabaddi in general. उसके बारे में जरा हमें बताइए कि what was apart from kabaddi skills, what else do you get to learn from people like this, and how inspiring is it कि एक ही ड्रेसिंग रूम शेयर करना, एक ही मैच शेयर करना इनके साथ, उसके बारे में जरा बताइए.
देखिए, हमेशा से मेरा ड्रीम रहा था. मतलब अनूप कुमार, राकेश कुमार, ये मेरे आइडियल थे और आइडियल है अभी भी. और हमेशा से ऐसे था कि इनके अंडर में खेलूं. और मुझे याद है कि पहला टूर्नामेंट था, मेरा पहला प्रोफेशनल टूर्नामेंट था इंडस्ट्रियल नेशनल नागपुर में. तब
Yeah.
मैंने अनूप कुमार को खेलते वक्त देखा था और मैं इतना खुश हुआ था उस टाइम पे, क्योंकि जब मैंने कबड्डी की शुरुआत की थी जैसे प्रोफेशनल खेलना, तो दैट टाइम आई यूज्ड टू वॉच हिज वीडियो एवरी डे. लाइक जब भी प्रैक्टिस करता था तो मैं उसके मूव्स देखता था, वो कैसे मूव्स है, कैसे उसके मतलब टो टच के एक्शन है, बोनस के मूवमेंट्स है. तो ये सब मैं वीडियोस देखता था और उसके, और फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे उसे देखने मिला वहाँ पे, तो मैं बहुत खुश था.
Yeah.
और उसके बाद 2 साल बाद ही मुझे जब इंडिया कैंप में हम साथ में थे, सब थे, अनूप कुमार, राकेश कुमार, तो इनके साथ, इनके अंडर प्रैक्टिस करना, इनके साथ प्रैक्टिस करना, तो ये एक बहुत खुशी की बात थी मेरे लिए. और
बिल्कुल.
उसके बाद जब प्रो कबड्डी का ऑक्शन हुआ और मुझे पता चला कि मुंबई टीम के कैप्टन है वो और मैं उनके साथ खेलूंगा, तो ये एक सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात थी मेरे लिए. सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी, लाइक playing under Anup Kumar, and it made me very matured also,
Mm-hmm.
to read the game well. Like तुम सोच सकते हो कि वो इतने अच्छी तरह से गेम को समझते हैं, तो वो
Mm-hmm.
हमें कुछ सीखने मिला है इतने सालों से. मतलब बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला है उनसे. तो
Mm-hmm.
वो मैं हमेशा, मतलब जब मैं मैचेस खेलता हूँ तो वो यूटिलाइज करने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि वो कामनेस हुआ और वो जो स्ट्रैटेजी जैसे प्लान कर रहा है खेलते वक्त, तो ये सब
हाँ.
चीजें सीखने मिली थी पहले उनसे, तो वो हेल्प कर रही है अभी.
Yeah, I'm sure. Must be a very inspiring workplace to be. हम भी उसके बारे में, it's spoken about in corporate circles that it's good to be in an inspiring workplace, and you've had the opportunity of that. Yash is another fan of yours who has another interesting question. वो पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि Rishabh, there are so many international players in Vivo Pro Kabaddi now. Who is your favorite international player?
International player, Fazal Atrajali.
Okay.
Is one of a good friend of mine, and
Yeah.
he's a good human being, a good person, very helpful, and
Yeah.
uh, very fun loving, and he's good, and I like his nature. We are good friends.
Yeah.
Obviously he's a number one defender in the in our league, so obviously he's a good player, but as nature wise he's a good person also.
Yeah, I'm sure. In fact, a lot of in all our previous segments, when we've spoken to the likes of Rahul Chaudhary and we've spoken to Naveen Kumar, Anup Kumar, Siddharth Desai, what has come out as a common theme is all of them have said that Fazal is actually one of the toughest defenders they have faced in Vivo Pro Kabaddi.
Right, right,
So,
right.
so बंदा भी अच्छा है और मैट पे भी बहुत तगड़ा है. So that's a good combination to have.
Right, right.
We'll talk about Fazal. We'll come to that part. I also know Fazal, and I'm going to spill. Sorry, I know Rishank. I'm going to spill the beans now. कि आप सिर्फ कबड्डी ही नहीं, आप फुटबॉल के भी बहुत बड़े फैन हो और आप इंग्लिश प्रीमियर लीग काफी गौर से देखते हो. You're a big fan of it, and
Right, right.
either I will reveal it or I'll let you reveal it to all our fans. So which team do you support in football, and tell us about your passion for football?
I'm a big Man U fan. I love watching Manchester United play. I don't miss
Manchester
them
United.
actually. Yeah, yeah. and I watch each and every match which they play. Uh, and a die-hard fan of Cristiano Ronaldo. Manchester United was because of Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, and I like
So is that the
Ronaldo.
reason why you also like the number 7?
Yeah, that's what.
Because some 10 fans have asked right now, 7 7 आपका number 7 क्यों है? तो दर्शकों जानिए, Cristiano Ronaldo's number is 7 and Rishank is a very big fan of Ronaldo. So is that why it's number 7? It is why it's your favorite number. It's your Pro Kabaddi handle account, maybe. You've put 7, so that's an interesting use of the number.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you've also played football, right? It was a sport that you.
Yeah. I used to play football in my school because there was no kabaddi in our school. So football ही एक option था because I wanted to I wanted to be participate in some sport activity in our school because I was good at all sports. Like I used to run good. On the sports day I used to get many certificates and all that stuff. So I wanted to participate in some sports, so football was the only option for me in our school. So I played football for like 6 to 7 years. I participate all the inter-school matches, and kabaddi was was my first love, but I played football also.
That's right. In fact, for all our fans who probably don't know about this, the Viva Pro Mashal Sports, the organizers of the Viva Pro Kabaddi League, they do an interesting talent and scouting program every year called Future Kabaddi Heroes. And it's through this program where they're able to recruit a lot of fresh, young talent to come into the Viva Pro Kabaddi League. Players like Surinder Singh, Naveen Kumar, Nitesh Kumar, Rohit Gulia, they've all come from this program. And Rishank, every year, in the last 2 years, we have done a sporting exchange with English Premier League clubs. So I remember the Arsenal and Leicester under 14 teams came to Mumbai to meet the Future Kabaddi Heroes program. And Rishank, in fact, introduced these youngsters from England to Kabaddi. So I'm sure that was a good experience as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was very good experience. Like the youngsters were so fit and like they enjoyed the sport, and I loved explaining them about our sport, how it is played, and we also played a match with them. So it was an amazing moment.
That's right. You said something very interesting, Rishank. You said the youngsters were very fit. Is that a change that you're seeing? ये बदलाव जो है कि हमारे देश के जो youngsters हैं अभी sport में जो घुस रहे हैं, the ones who are trying to become athletes, they have suddenly really upped their levels of fitness. Our youngsters are very fit today, aren't they?
Right. Because जब से प्रो कबड्डी की शुरुआत हुई थी, मतलब उसके पहले जब हम कबड्डी खेलते थे तो इट वाज लाइक our only target was to play senior national matches, that's it, and to participate for the Indian team, and 4 साल में एक बार एशियन गेम्स आता था, तो 4 साल रुकना पड़ता था हर एक मतलब एशियन गेम्स के लिए, क्योंकि वो ही एक बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट होता था. तो पहले सिर्फ सभी प्लेयर्स जो थे वो कंसंट्रेट करते थे कि सीनियर नेशनल बहुत अच्छे से खेलना है. पर जब से प्रो कबड्डी आया है तो जो द होल सिनेरियो हैज चेंज, लाइक द कबड्डी का पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गया, और हम इतने खुशनसीब है कि हम उससे जुड़े हुए हैं. और मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि अभी के यंगस्टर्स जो है वो ज्यादा मतलब एज अ प्रोफेशन वाइज सोच सकते हैं कि कबड्डी में अपना करियर बना सकते हैं. तो उस वजह से बहुत ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट हुए यंगस्टर्स. और आप देख सकते हो कि जो यंग टैलेंट के जो भी बच्चे आए हैं प्रो कबड्डी में, उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा करके दिखाया है. तो आगे भी ये होते रहेगा और ऐसे ही टैलेंट आते ही रहेंगे. हर साल 2-3 प्लेयर जो है वो लीग में बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, अपना नाम मतलब आप देख सकते हो नवीन कुमार को ही 2 सीजन से इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है. तो ये बिकॉज ऑफ द ये जो टैलेंट है, जो ये यंग टैलेंट जो आए हैं, तो इससे मतलब गेम भी बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ है. और जो यंग बच्चे हैं जो कबड्डी स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए भी बहुत अच्छी बात है.
जी बिल्कुल. I'm going to ask you a थोड़ा सा technical question क्योंकि आपके एक fan है Vedant who has asked you, sir, please tell me, how do you escape the thigh hold? What is the technical radar explanation of how to escape a thigh hold?
हाँ, तो वो तो मैं अभी जब खेलूंगा तभी दिखा सकता हूँ, बट
So maybe what
escape
I'll do
कर
is I'll just tweak the question, Rishank. I'll just tweak it instead of going too specific. In
Okay.
general, if you were to give 2 or 3 success mantras to become a good raider, 3 points of advice, what would it be?
Like a player should have a good speed, and his footwork should be good, and he must be fearless. That's it. ये 3 point है. Like
So footwork,
एक
speed,
raider
and fearless.
fearless, yeah.
Fearless तो
So
दिमाग की फिर हो जाती है ना? That's something.
हाँ, दिमाग से ही मतलब fearless होगा तभी जाके वो 7 players होंगे, उनमें जाके वो point score करने की ताकत रख सकता है. तो यही एक 3 मंत्रा हो सकते हैं.
3 very big mantras, Rishank. Thanks. That was quite helpful for a lot of fans watching. A couple of more questions that are coming in. Rishank, आपके PKL और कबड्डी रिटायरमेंट के बाद आपके क्या प्लान्स हैं? क्या करेंगे रिशांक देवडिगा कबड्डी के बाद?
देखिए, हमेशा से ड्रीम रहा है दैट एक एकेडमी होना चाहिए मेरा खुद का, जहाँ पे सभी बच्चों को मतलब जो भी कबड्डी खेलना चाहता है, जिसको भी मतलब ये गेम में अपना करियर बनाना है, वो मतलब बेझिझक आ सकते हैं. मतलब ऐसा एकेडमी होना चाहिए जहाँ पे मतलब कबड्डी को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, मतलब उसके लिए मुझे आगे जाके मैं कुछ करने की कोशिश करूंगा कि कबड्डी के लिए मेरे से जितना हो सके मैं टाइम दूं कबड्डी में. और जो टैलेंट, जो यंग टैलेंट महाराष्ट्र में बहुत सारे यंग टैलेंट्स हैं, उनको कह सकते हैं कि पॉलिश करने का कोशिश करूंगा कि उनको कुछ मेरे तरफ से कुछ मैं सिखा सकूंगा, उनको मदद हो सकेगी, ऐसा कुछ मैं करना चाहूंगा.
That's very nice of you, Rishank. In fact, Rahul Chaudhary से आपको बात करनी चाहिए because when he was on our show, he echoed a similar sentiment. उसने भी कहा था कि कबड्डी के बाद मैं अपने academy खोलना चाहता हूँ और I want to give an opportunity to train athletes. So maybe there's a good raiding partnership that is waiting to happen post your retirement with him. Awesome, awesome. Rishank, as you're probably aware, we do a rapid fire segment with each of our guests. Rapid fire is very simple. I'm going to ask you 10 questions. Okay, you have to answer immediately. You can't think of each answer. Okay, whatever comes to your mind first, you have to say it. Before I start the rapid fire, there is a question that's coming from quite a few fans. I know I asked you who your favorite international player is, but पूरे वीवो प्रो कबड्डी के 7 सीजन में रिशांक देवडिगा का सबसे फेवरेट प्लेयर कौन रहा है?
अनूप कुमार.
Okay, that was an easy answer almost.
Yeah.
Good. So we've answered a lot of fans' questions there. And Krupa Sutar says, love you so much, Rishank bhai. Anil and Mr. Left say, sir, you are the best raider in Vivo Pro Kabaddi. That's a lot of love that you're getting, Rishank. And you are one of the best raiders that we have. So, Rishank, are you ready for the rapid fire segment?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. So this is Rishank Devadiga on the rapid fire segment of Beyond the Mat. Rishank, question number 1. Toughest defender you have faced in the Vivo Pro Kabaddi League?
Ravinder Pahel.
Ravinder Pahel. If not a Kabaddi player, what other career would you have chosen?
A hotelier.
Okay.
I would have worked in a hotel.
Okay. I'm not sure how much you like food, but what is your most favorite food item?
I love pav bhaji.
Pav bhaji. All right.
Yeah.
I think you answered this, but I'm going to ask you again. Your favorite sport apart from Kabaddi and your favorite sportsman?
Favorite sport, football, and favorite sportsman, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, yeah. All right. Rishank, do you listen to music? What's your favorite song right now that's going on?
I listen to a lot of Arjit Singh songs, and
Okay.
There are many.
Yeah.
So I can't say one, but there are many songs.
Lots of
लगता है.
commonalities in all of you Raiders. Yeah. Last week, Naveen Kumar also said his favorite artist is Arijit Singh.
Okay.
Rishant, what's your favorite holiday destination?
Uh, in India,
Anywhere.
in India it's Goa and Goa. That's it.
Goa, superb. Who is your all-time favorite movie actor?
Salman Khan.
And your all-time favorite movie?
All-time favorite movie, Milkha Singh.
Well, of course, very good
Milkha
movie.
Bhag.
Yes, Bhag Milka Bhag. Farhan Akhtar, I think, was in that movie,
Yeah,
wasn't it? Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to put you in a do or die situation on Beyond the Mat. Okay? आपको Rishank, in your playing career in the Pro Kabaddi League, ठीक है? If you were to pick your 7 players of all time, ठीक है? I'm going to give you, आपको अपने 7 player आपको चुनना है who according to you has been your favorite PKL 7. तो बताइए.
Anup Kumar as a captain.
Okay.
Fazal Atrachali,
Okay.
left corner. Ravinder Pahel, right corner, and Vishal Mane, right cover. Chiva Kumar, left cover, and Naveen as a raider,
Wow.
and also Pankaj Mohite.
Pankaj Mohite. Wow, that's quite an interesting team. And I think this team alone can become like a dream team that can go on to challenge any of the teams that we have in the league. So that is quite a team that you've chosen. मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप हमारे पहला गेस्ट हो जो who has been able to name a PKL 7 team. नहीं तो हमारे जो पहले guests थे, they were not able to really pick the top 7 players. बहुत ही confused हो रहे थे. And it's an interesting one. You brought up that Ravinder Pahel has been one of the toughest defenders that you faced in Vivo Pro
Yeah.
Kabaddi. Can you tell us a little bit about why you think he is the toughest?
Like I have struggled a lot, playing against him because I think because of that reason I feel he's the toughest because he has a good timing of a thigh hold. So overall, he has all the skills which a defender needs.
Yeah.
So I think he's the toughest. For
Okay,
me.
and maybe I'm just going to ask you a little more, but if you were to tell me, so when you go, you said psychologically he's a little difficult, he's got all the skills. So what are these skills, maybe 1 or 2 skills that you think makes him so great as a defender in Kabaddi?
The biggest plus point is his thigh hold is very good. His ankle hold is very good. You have seen him playing from so many seasons. His timing, he reads the game very nicely. So whenever I face him, I only think that I have to dodge him and escape from his thigh hold. So that's the only thing which goes in my mind when I am playing against Ravinder Pahel.
I'm sure. Does Ravinder Pahel know that you think he is the one who can often get you out? Have you seen in matches against him, have you seen him, in fact, trying to go for you more often than other defenders? Is that something that you notice?
I don't know. I can't say, but
Fair enough.
yeah.
So I have a last question for you, Rishank, and it's again, this is a question to sort of explain to fans what happens behind the scenes. क्योंकि हम जब Vivo Pro Kabaddi देखते हैं टीवी पे तो हमें मैट की जो एक्शन चल रही है, obviously we can see that मैच कैसे हो रही है, कौन लीड कर रही है, who is raiding, defending, everything is visible to us. But आपके एंट्री के पहले जो last 15-20 minutes ड्रेसिंग रूम के अंदर जब आप बाहर जाने वाले हो, when you're about to play a big match, आप जरा फैंस को बताइए कि ये बिहाइंड द सीन्स क्या होता है मैच के पहले ड्रेसिंग रूम के अंदर.
बिहाइंड द सीन्स ड्रेसिंग रूम में बहुत अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर होता है. जैसे कि some players they are busy मेकिंग फन, और सम कोई प्लेयर होते हैं मतलब मेरे जैसे हो गए मतलब हम I be very serious before the match. I keep on thinking. I visualize things. So ऐसे भी होते हैं. Some players are very serious, शांत रहते हैं और सोचते रहते हैं मैच के बारे में कि कैसे करना है. कोई प्लान करते रहता है. हम 2-4 लोग मिलके प्लान बनाते हैं कि इस रेडर को ऐसे करना है और इस डिफेंडर के खिलाफ ऐसे रेड करना है. तो ये सब प्लान बनते रहता है और कोचेस हमेशा से रहते ही है मोटिवेट करने के लिए और हमेशा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाते रहते हैं. तो ये एक मैच के पहले एनर्जी बूस्ट होता है जो हमारा मतलब जब वो कॉन्फिडेंस गेन होता है हमारा तो हम मैच में उसको यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. तो यही एक कोचेस का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है सपोर्ट करने के लिए. और मैनेजमेंट तो हमेशा से मैनेजर्स जो होते हैं हमारे वो बहुत ही एक्टिव होते हैं और हमेशा से पुश करते हैं मतलब कभी भी अपने आप को मतलब एक प्लेयर को ऐसे उसका मोरल डाउन होने देते नहीं है. तो मैच के पहले ये सब चीजें बहुत चलती है.
I'm sure that must be very important. I think good atmosphere रहना dressing room के मैच के पहले dressing room में is something that a lot of sportsmen talk about. एक मैं last चीज उठाऊंगा उसके बाद we'll have to wrap the show up because it's a very interesting thing you said कि आप मैच के पहले आप visualize करते हो. Rishank, I must tell you कि ऐसे बहुत सारे players हैं. Virat Kohli has spoken about this. Sachin Tendulkar, Cristiano Ronaldo, all these players have spoken about visualization.
Right.
So obviously it is a success mantra according to me because a lot of top players say this. आपने भी अभी कहा है. तो fans को जरा ये visualization के बारे में जरा just break it down for them in a slightly easier way. What is visualization?
देखिए विजुअलाइजेशन यही होता है कि मैच जब हम खेलते हैं तो वो सिचुएशन कैसे अब जब रेड कर रहे हैं तो वो रेड सक्सेस रेट में हम कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे उसको. सो वो चीजें जो भी पॉजिटिव चीजें हो सकती है मैच खेलते वक्त तो उसे विजुअलाइज करना है. तो जैसे हम विजुअलाइज करेंगे तो वैसे हमारी बॉडी भी मैच खेलते वक्त वो वैसे ही रिस्पॉन्ड करेगी. तो यू हैव टू keep on thinking, you have to keep on visualizing things. So मैं meditation वगैरह ज़्यादा करता हूँ तो उसके लिए वो चीज़ें मुझे बहुत हेल्प करती है कि जब भी मैं सोचता हूँ कि मुझे ऐसे बोनस मूवमेंट ऐसे बोनस लेना है या फिर हैंड टच ऐसे करना है तो जब मैं उसे विजुअलाइज करता हूँ तो वो इजीली मेरा मैच में उसे कर पाता हूँ. मतलब मैच में बहुत इजीली मेरे से वो हो जाता है. तो इसलिए मैं बहुत बिलीव करता हूँ ये विजुअलाइजेशन पे. तो बहुत हेल्प करता है मेरे को ये चीज़. तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा सभी प्लेयर से भी कि ये करके देखो और इसका बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट मिल सकता है.
So that's a masterclass from none other than your favorite pro kabaddi player Rishank Devadiga जो कह रहे हैं कि visualization जो है it's a very important thing to do and once you master it आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता मैट पे. Rishank, thank you so much for spending time with us today on Beyond the Mat. जाने के पहले Rishank आपके सारे fans मौजूद हैं यहाँ पे. आप the floor is yours. Please go ahead and leave a lovely message for them.
थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वाचिंग मी लाइव. और मैं सभी फैन से यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जो भी कबड्डी खेल रहे हैं और जो भी खेलना चाहते हैं तो कबड्डी में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि अपनी प्रैक्टिस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दो. कंसिस्टेंटली प्रैक्टिस करो, अच्छा खाओ, डिसिप्लिन रहो और सक्सेस हमेशा अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो सक्सेस जरूर तुम्हें मिलेगा. तो यही एक मंत्र है. तो कीप वर्किंग हार्ड एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.
That's your message, सारे दर्शकों. Rishank Devadiga's right from his mouth, straight from his mouth. It's been a privilege, Rishank, chatting with you today. It's been a privilege, in fact, being in touch with you all these days and planning today's segment. And you're a wonderful guy and you're amazing to watch on the mat. And it's been 7 great seasons in Vivo Pro Kabaddi. I'd just like to congratulate you for 7 amazing seasons in Vivo Pro Kabaddi.
Thank you.
And we look forward to more action from you going forward. Awesome. So, ladies and gentlemen, that and Rishank Devadiga. Thank you for being on the show, Rishank. And yep, Rishank is left. So, all you fans still tuning in and still watching, I hope you enjoyed getting Rishank in front of you today. He's been a familiar face in Vivo Pro Kabaddi for 7 seasons. And all you Mumbai and UP Yodha fans would have obviously supported him on the mat. And Kabaddi fans in general would have always supported him off it and on it as well. So that was all from today's chat on Beyond the Mat. Thank you all for watching. Just a reminder, tomorrow, starting 10:30 a.m. sharp, do tune in to Star Sports 2, Star Sports 3, or Star Sports First to watch Close Encounters that begins. And in Close Encounters, we'll be showing you all the highlights of some of the most thrilling Viva Pro Kabaddi matches that have happened right from season 1 to season 6 and 7. So do tune in starting tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. And in the meantime, be safe, be secure. It's an interesting time. It's an interesting time in our country right now. So do practice social distancing, be responsible. And I look forward to seeing all of you next Saturday, same time at 6 p.m. on Beyond the Mat. My name is Abhishek Iyer, and on behalf of Viva Pro Kabaddi, I thank you all for tuning in. Till then, see you next week. Bye-bye.